the industrial coder who said, I understand nothing about what you want. Tell me what I need to do and I'll do it for you and I'll give it back to you. And with that came all of the practices like agile and the waterfall methods and all of the things that came from the early days were all shaped around this problem of the person doing the work not knowing what they need to do.
Yeah.
I think that entire concept is going to be disrupted almost entirely.
Yeah.
Because now that idea to delivery is getting to a point where it's almost zero.
Yeah.
In relation to, because our vision, and even in EcosystemCode, our vision is, can I sit in a meeting with a user, punch out a story, or let them punch out a story, and generate their entire system for demonstration to see if they're going to like it or not in that session. So can I spend an hour reproducing that to build a POC, to go create, remember the concept of, there was once a time when people used to care about MVP. Remember that? I think that is being turned upside down. You don't do MVPs. MVP is what you do in the first 10 minutes. You generate it out and you say, yes, I've got a minimum viable product that I can market. Okay, now let me create a minimum marketable product an hour later. Let me create a minimum viable productionizable product 2 hours later, and then test how the market adopts it. So now you're going to have to come up with a new acronym for this, because now it's about minimum viable usefulness, because you can make it so quickly.